Hey there, YouTube. This is a Jaguar review. I got it off Blade Play yesterday. She saw the unboxing. And I'm now doing a review. Well, first of all, this knife I ordered it on Friday, and it came in on Saturday. So that's 6 days. Well, it's not that much. For free shipping. So overall 6 days. My first knife I've ever got off the internet, other than those other cheapos, but first best knife. This is the best knife I have right now. So let's get on with the review. Okay, so you can see it's the Jaguar. It has pin construction, and it's their full handles are not sandwich. This thing is really heavy, really hard to flip. I'm getting used to flipping it. Has a Jaguar logo right there. Well, yeah, the box didn't come that good. It was opened already, the box, and as you saw in my video. And, well, it does have a T-latch. It's also pin construction. I forgot what this is called. I think it's called ribbit. I don't know. Whatever this is, tang pin. I think tang pin. It only has one of them, and they're pretty much the same size on each side. I like this knife. It's smooth to me. Really, really heavy compared to the other one I have. Oh, wait. Hold on. Compared to this one. Big difference. Big difference. This one ain't even sharp. And it's the latch on this one is on the wrong side. Oh. And the blade is good, sharp. And I don't know what surgical steel means. Try figuring that out, but I couldn't